How to check if a value in one list is in another list with a one-liner for an if statement in Python if I'm not using sets. I'm trying to construct a one-liner that would check if any of the values in one list are present in another list and return true or false if it does or does not. The closest I've gotten to is the following. The problem with this is that it will iterate through list 1 and output a list of true and falses depending on if the items in list 1 exist in list 2. What I can do is then iterate through this newly created true and false list, but I can't do that in the same line. I can't use a set in this case or import any functions, as I'm using this as a condition in a third-party software where you can't insert sets and conditions or use functions.
You can ask an any ... built-in function with a generator expression. So this will check if there is at least one element that occurs in both lists. Note, however, that this will result in a worst-case ON2 algorithm. If the elements are hashable, for instance, and you can use a set, we can make it an ON average case algorithm.
You could also do. To get the set of elements that occur in both, the length of the set is 0 if there's no intersection, otherwise positive. You can treat this set as a Boolean, since Python evaluates empty sets to false and non-empty sets to true. Runtime is ON average case, ON squared, worst case, this URL.
Suppose we have this list. If we want to see the repeated values, the input. If we want true false, the input. The input is checking list 2. The first value 1 exists in list 1 and the last few 2.
Ich jau vant tas error, prasa consider subscribing.